Hello everyone, in this video I teach you how to make tree maps. Basic tree maps is for showing frequency of each categories. So the categories that I'm going to consider is job classification. I drag and drop it here. Now I want to look at frequency of each category, blue color, other, and white color. So I select number of records, drop it here, then I click over show me, then select tree plots. As you see, it's more look like some rectangles. You can change the size by going right or lower part of the figure, because later you want to show it in your dashboard and story. Maybe you can play with the size here. The color that you see here is based on a number of records, but maybe we can change it to job classification. So I click on the number of records here that refers to the color, press delete. Again, I go over jobs classification and drop it over color. Now, the jobs that are showing here uh, are associated to the color. So we can play with the formatting, go here, change the font maybe to 14, bold and black. Also, if you are interested to change the color, you can select, click over the color, go edit colors. Maybe for other, we select purple. For white, maybe we select gray, click OK, and now we can change the colors.